Hey guys, Rock Solid Passion here. We're doing a little bit different of a video today. We're not doing rocks and fossils. Nope. We're doing other things that I'm passionate about. I have quite a collection of driftwood. I have some of my favorite pieces there on the table. We have some bones, different bones from animals that I find out hiking and walking the creek. Teeth, antlers, several artifacts there. Some arrowheads, some scrapers, thumb scrapers. One of my favorite pieces of driftwood. I also have some items there from metal detecting. A lot of you know that, like I said, I'm passionate about rocks, but I do a lot of other things. And I just wanted to share some of them with you. I'm going to start a new segment called Rock Solid Passion, and I'm just going to slowly introduce each one and share it with you guys. So, you can enjoy any different things that I find as well. I do get lucky occasionally and find some antlers. I have quite a few of those in my collection as well. Those are two of my favorite ones because of how I found them, where I found them, and just overall, they're cool looking. Many of you know I have an affection for petrified wood, agatized wood, obliged wood. But not only in stone, but driftwood, beautiful piece of cedar. Another piece of wood. This one is actually, I would have to say, my favorite out of all of them. You could look at that texture and pattern going through there. It looks like a unicorn horn or a bull's horn, where the texture, I guess, growth lines where it was bending and grew that way. Of course, my crystals. It's not going to show, is it? Alright. Make it difficult, camera. Some of my favorite metal detecting finds. I mean, everybody's gotta love Hello Kitty. Some really cool coins. Who could forget my silver nugget that I thought I found? Some of my favorite artifacts. My bird effigy here. That's one of my favorites in my collection as far as effigies. I believe this one would have been ceremonial. We see all the crystals on the end, and it's not made out of a material, you know, similar to the tools. This is one of my all-time favorite finds. I believe this one would have been a ground tool for gardening, plowing, stuff like that. Not sure if this one would have been. It's a little heavier and thicker. It's also really, really smooth. That one is my favorite. That one is my second favorite. There's a few others that are at the top of my list in the collection. Beautiful blades, scrapers, thumb scrapers, and I don't know what you would call that one. What would you call that one? I also have many, many different feathers that I collect while I'm out hiking or walking the creek, rockhounding. I have a couple like this one, my favorite. You can see it's a good size. One of my favorite fossil pieces. This one is calcite. Standard calcite. I want to call it a geode, but that would be up to you what you want to call it. It does fit the definition. Crystal lined cavity. I just love those vertebrates. They're so cool. I've got some little tiny ones too. This one's a pretty good size. This was from my guessing a large cap. I do have several teeth in my collection. Here's just a few of them. I have a tusk, a few teeth there, as well as bones. I love bones. Now these ones I've already cleaned. I've gotten them prepped and ready to work. I plan on maybe carving into those. I also have a few that are broken that I was thinking about maybe making some native pieces or jewelry with. Bottles. I did find several rubbish piles on the mountain where I was able to find quite a few bottles. So yeah, I just wanted to share a little bit more with you about my passion, not only for rocks, but a passion for life and anything nature, really. Um, as you can see, from glass to wood and everything in between. I have some amazing content coming soon. More rocks and minerals, of course. Some metal detecting videos. More artifact videos. And nature finds. Share them with you guys and let you enjoy them as well. So a lot of new and exciting videos coming, some great content, and hopefully you guys watch it and enjoy it and appreciate it like I do.